I'm Dr.N.Sengottaiyan, Director Technical and Admissions, Excel Group Institutions.
Tell us about your institutions and specialities in that.
Excel Group Institution is a multidisciplinary and it's a multi variety of courses where and the campus of 120 acres where you find from school to PhD, where you have engineering, architecture, polytechnic, business school, and you have Siddha, medical colleges like Siddha, homeopathy, naturopathy, where for naturopathy there is a NEET is not necessary, and we have pharmacy, allied science, physiotherapy, nursing, health inspector, as well as in PG also we have M.Pharm and physiotherapy.
How many years you have been in this field? I mean, your institution.
Our institution is around like 16 years old institutions, and our engineering college is an NAC, an NBA accredited institutions, and which is also an autonomous institution.
Tell us about this event that connected to you. How you find this event and all, and what do you think about this?
It's a well organized, systematically organized, and it's a very good organizing team.
Thank you.